Welcome to the Lucy and Tillman Cooking Show with me, Lucy Perry, and Tillman Flager, editor and producer. Have you ever wondered how we humans get our food? It's through a process called photosynthesis. Yummy. This apple tree got its energy to make its own food from the sun. Let's explain that more today when we make photosynthesis cookies. Let's go! First, you're going to take your Photosystem brand bowl. This step is very important. Here we have a nice package of H2O. Inside, we have hydrogen ions and electrons. And see this oxygen right here? We don't need that for today. You can just rip it off and throw it away. Now you're going to take your hydrogen and your electrons and put it in your photosystem bowl. Next, you're going to want to mix your ingredients with enough energy so that the electrons become excited. Now, our electrons have enough energy to bring our hydrogen ions, our chocolate chips, through the thylakoid membrane. Now, we're going to mix again so that the electrons become re-energized. And don't worry if some of the electrons fall out of the bowl, because they'll be combined with the NADP+. It's fine. Now, our uneven distribution of hydrogen ions will power our ATP synthase, which will create ATP. Now, our NADPH and ATP are ready to be put into our Kelvin cycle oven. In the oven, carbon dioxide will be combined with other carbon molecules and be energized and then break off to form glucose. Well, looks like our cookies should be ready. Wow, these turned out great.
But how do we process this glucose? Well, in each cell, we have a mitochondria, which facilitates cellular respiration. The first step in cellular respiration is glycolysis, where we tear our glucose in two to create 2-pyruvate. This creates 2 ATP. The pyruvic acid, then known as the Krebs cycle, which removes the electrons to make NADH and FADH2, and also 2 more ATP. They then drop their electrons off at the electron transport chain, where hydrogen ions are pulled through the membrane, so they can eventually come back through the ATP synthase and create even more ATP.
That's all, folks. Thanks for hanging with us to learn about photosynthesis
and cellular respiration.
Oh, got to go. Will power our ATP synthase.
To produce.
So you're going to want to mix your ingredients with enough energy so that the electrons become excited.
You know, for my next hair appointment, can you tell me a week in advance?
Why?
Because I want to try new hair.
Wow, looks great. And tastes great too. Are ready to go into the Kelvin cycle oven.
They then...
They're my nose. In my nose.
Wait.
Just split perfectly.
I know, honey.
I also
This is going to have so much editing.
Ma'am.
Jolene.
Jolene. That's all, folks.